Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It is a BMW S1000R Sport. Really nice is this, one owner bike. It was new in April of 17. It is a 2017 on a 17 plate. It's done 4,100 miles. That's right, Bobby Dazzler, finished off in the red and black. On these newer shape ones as well, they do come with the Akrapovic and can, but this one's always got the EVTech levers on there as well, and a tail tidy. Oh no, apologies, no tail tidy on that one. Let's give it a start up so you can hear that exhaust. Ooh, sounds well with that Acra one there. Electronically adjustable suspension, it's got cruise control, power modes, heated grips. Basically it's got the works and an absolute comfy package. Sports bike, but you sat up and a bit comfier. Anyway guys, enough of the bike. Pop down yourself down to Jordanbikes or simply just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.